guilt-free berry bliss dessert. Yes, you can eat this and still fit into your jeans. Hi there, it's Margaret, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, and today we're making something sweet, simple, and waistline friendly. Let's be honest, life is too short to skip dessert, but we don't need to sabotage our goals. This one is quick, refreshing, and perfect after a long day. Or, let's be real, mid-afternoon when you accidentally wander into the kitchen again. Berry Bliss Yogurt Parfait. Ingredients: 1 cup plain Greek yogurt. High protein equals keeping you full. Half a cup fresh berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, go wild. 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey or maple syrup. Optional, but worth it. 1 tablespoon of granola or crushed almonds for that crunch. Dash of cinnamon or vanilla extract. Trust me on this one. How to make it: scoop your Greek yogurt into a bowl or cute glass. Presentation matters. We're fancy like that. Layer in your berries. Drizzle a little honey if you like it sweet. Sprinkle granola or nuts on top. Add a dash of cinnamon or vanilla. And boom! Dessert in under 5 minutes. And why this works for weight loss? High protein helps you keep you full longer. Bye-bye late night snacking. Low added sugar compared to most desserts. Natural sweetness from fruit instead of processed junk. Crunch factor satisfies that I need something fun craving. Basically, you're winning at life and dessert. Real talk, desserts like this are even better when you've got a kitchen you actually love being in. You know, enough counter space to spread out, cabinets that aren't playing hide and seek with your ingredients, maybe even a view while you're whipping up something healthy and delicious. If your current kitchen feels more like let's make it work situation instead of let's cook something amazing space, we might need to fix that. Let's upgrade your kitchen game. If you're dreaming about a home with a beautiful kitchen, hello quartz countertops, and tons of storage, I've got you covered. Call or text me at 321-480-7662. You can start your home search on my website at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com, or you can check out some home tours on my YouTube channel at Dream Homes, Space Coast, Florida. Or you can email me at margaret.klein@exprealty.com. Because you deserve a kitchen where making healthy desserts feels just as good as eating them. Margaret Klein, signing off. Hope you're having an amazing day.